Hi, today in front of me ZTE BLADE A71 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first, we should open the settings application and after that tap to the lock screen and home screen section, then tap to wallpapers, click allow, and after that we can see here all the available default wallpapers. Also you can click to the gallery and use photos from the Google Drive or from the Google. For example, let's use this one. Click set as and select lock screen. We can see here the message that this wallpaper applied successfully. So let's just check it and we can see that we change it. So also we have one more way how we can do that. Just first hold for a while your home screen, then click on the left down corner to wallpaper icon, and by the same way you should just select one from these available wallpapers, set as, and click to the lock screen. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.